Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. So on today's episode, I'm gonna be making some delicious sweet and sour tofu. Yes, you heard me right, tofu. And this one is for all my vegans and vegetarians. And if you're a meat eater, you will enjoy this one too. So let's start. So on my cutting board, I have tofu. This is what it looks like before I remove it from the package. So what I'm gonna be doing first, I'm gonna be pat drying the tofu because it comes in like a brine. So I'm going to be pat drying it first thing. And yes, I have to be gentle with it. I have to be very gentle. Now I'm going to be slicing it into cubes. Okay, so I'm done cutting them into cubes. So now I'm going to be placing them inside of this bowl, and I'm going to be coating the tofu. And the coating that I'm going to be using today on this is first some cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then I'm gonna be adding some Maggi, of course, half tablespoon, and some black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Now I'm gonna mix. Okay guys, so in a non-stick pan, I poured about 2 tablespoons of canola oil in there. So now I'm going to be frying the tofu. It's hot, so I'm going to be placing them inside this pot. Okay, so I'm done browning the tofu, nice and golden brown. This is what they look like. In my saucepan on the stove, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. Then I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of shredded ginger and a teaspoon of minced garlic. Then I'm going to let that saute about a minute, 30 seconds, just to get the flavors out from them. Alright, so now I'm gonna be adding the vegetables. Alright, so I have some green onions, some mixed bell peppers, and some onions. I'm gonna add everything in there. I'm also gonna be adding a few chunks of pineapples. To that, I'm gonna be adding a half a teaspoon of Maggi again to the vegetables, because I didn't use any salt, so half teaspoon Maggi. Some crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon. A tablespoon of white vinegar. Some honey, about 2 tablespoons. Some soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons too. And now some ketchup, about 2 tablespoons. And we will stir. So I'm just gonna let this saute for about a minute or 2, and then we'll add the tofu. So now I'm gonna be adding the tofu, and remember, do not overcook your vegetables. So tofu in, and stir. Just gonna let this simmer for another 30 seconds, and then we'll show you what it looks like. And there you have it, guys. Delicious sweet and sour tofu. I know you will love this one, so please try it and let me know in the comment section how much you rate it out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day. See you next time.